Hello. Hey, you crazy one. Two are waiting for me. Hi. Hey, why don't you just call me or say something? Say we've been waiting. We've been waiting, squirrel girl. Come on. Here's one. Hey. Oopsie. Hello, here is my sweet face, my pretty face girl. Oh. Okay, do you want to take from the bag? Ay. No, don't scratch. Why are you so violent? Okay. Okay, do you want to take from the bag? On your own. On your own. Okay. I'll help you. I'm sorry. Come on. Been teasing you. Come on. Mr. Bully is there.